I'm Michael from Jim's Antennas. I've been with Jim's Antennas for 15 years and 6 days a week I've been climbing around on ladders, and in today's isolation period that we're going through, there are a lot of people doing a lot of DIY projects at home. Now I thought I'd just run through a couple of safety tips when it comes to ladders and working on the roof that you might not necessarily know. Alright, now the next important thing is to actually secure your ladder. So I'm going to be climbing a ladder up and actually using a commercial grade ladder strap. Again, prevents the ladder from falling away, prevents it sliding left or right, and even when I actually get up onto the roof, I know the ladder's not going to fall away and leave me stranded on the roof. Now obviously, again, safety first, you're probably not going to have one of these at home, but again, safety is paramount. We don't want anyone falling off and getting injured, so a proper safety harness is always going to be advisable. Chuck that on. Alright, so I've got a couple of different attachment scenarios depending on the type of roof that I'm going to be climbing up. So in this case, I have a tiled roof. Now, the idea is that my safety strap is going to be going under one of the ceiling joists, attached onto the rafters. It'll loop around there, and then I'll be able to secure onto that nice and safely. Now, a lot of people would think that they want to get the strap under two of the rafters at the same time. Believe it or not, that's about the worst thing you can do. It actually weakens the fall rating of the strap. So just go under one, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to get my ladder strap in place, we're all going to get tied off. Now, whenever you're climbing a ladder, you also want to make sure you maintain 3 points of contact with the ladder at any one time. Take your time. Today's wet and windy, so I'm just going to go nice and safely and easily, getting into a position. I'm going to put my straps on the roof for a moment, gently open up one of the tiles. I'm going to secure myself first, just so if anything nasty does happen, I know I'm going to be safe. So I'm just putting that under the rafter, and securing my strap. Now I've got a permanent 3-point contact at any one time. I'm also going to be securing the ladder just so it can't disappear on me. Again, take your time, nice and safe. Make sure the straps aren't catching on any sharp edges of the tiles or on the guttering or anything else like that. That's now secure. I know the ladder can't go anywhere. I know I can't go anywhere. I can now begin work safely and know that I'm going to go home tonight.